Many people get tongue-tied, talk too much, or freeze up on their first few Facebook live streams. What's the answer? How do you go live on Facebook or any other platform feeling confident and in control and ready? I'm going to give you a template so you can be 100% more effective in your video, even if you don't master it. Stay tuned. Hi, I'm Sarah Nguyen, and on this channel I make tech and social media easier for awesome entrepreneurs like yourself. If you're new to this channel, consider subscribing for all of the latest product reviews, social media marketing tips and training. When it comes to Facebook Live, one of the reasons it has so much impact is because live video is raw and unedited. What you say and how you deliver your content is important to the success of your video. It's important that you don't blab and go on and on. Facebook Live is not a video journal and you shouldn't treat it as such. It's the place for you to talk about how you feel and how your day was. You need to have a topic and a goal in mind. I'm breaking down what to say so you have a go-to template for your Facebook live streams. Introduce your topic. You want to start your video by telling your audience what you're going to cover and what they're going to learn. It's important to establish this from the start so your audience know they're in the right place. You can introduce the topic with a hook by creating a question and leading into what you're going to cover. For example, do you love soft, delicious and buttery brioche? Who doesn't? In this Facebook live stream, I'm going to step you through how to make to die for brioche step by step. Explain what's in it for them. When you start your Facebook live stream, it's important to frame the opening by telling them what you're going to talk about and what they're going to get out of what you have to say. You want to entice your viewers to want to watch your videos, and you can do this by selling them on what's in it for them. Explain the benefits they're going to get. This can be short sentences on how your Facebook live stream will move them away from their pain or toward their goals to hook them right from the start. It can be physical benefits such as losing weight, looking younger, having better looking skin, or the benefits can be emotional ones such as more confidence, more freedom, less stress. You don't want to leave this part out because it gives your viewers a reason to watch your Facebook live stream. Part 3, get to the content. The content should take up majority of your live stream time. It's what people are watching. There's lots of ways to deliver your content. You can talk about your topic in ordered steps, for example, steps 1 through to 5 of how to go from start to finish of your topic. You can break it down into as many steps as you need to get through the process. You can also share a collection of tips. I use this a lot in my videos because not all topics have a must-follow sequence. Case studies of your experience, your client stories, or even observations of your market can also be used to educate your viewers. Physical demonstrations or reviews are also engaging ways of delivering your content. There's no rules, only tools, so you can pick and choose and even mix it up to get your message across. Part 4, reintroduce and recap. After you've delivered your exceptional content in part 3, you're close to the end of the live stream. What you want to do next is mention the topic again and summarize what you've talked about. This is also handy for people who weren't watching from the very beginning of your video. It's a common technique used in broadcasting to remind viewers of what they've learned and the value you've delivered. You can recap by saying something along the lines of, in this Facebook live stream, I walked you through how to make soft, delicious and buttery brioche that everyone will love. I covered all of the steps from what to purchase through to resting your dough and baking it. Part 5. Tell your audience what to do next. At the end of your live stream to wrap up, you need to lead your viewers into your sales process. You're in business to make money. Your Facebook live streams is all about building attraction and closing a sale. And whilst people don't want to admit it, they want to be told and guided by what to do next. So tell them and lead them on the actions they need to take. Some steps you can direct your viewers to take include to sign up to your lead magnet to get people onto your email list. This is my favorite call to action. Contact you for a consultation or quote. You can provide a number if you take clients locally, or put a link to a web form they can fill in. Buy from your website. If you have a sales page or an e-commerce store with product links, it's another call to action to offer your viewers depending on where they are in the sales process. Like a video or leave a comment. This is a low transaction and probably the easiest to get. If you found this video useful, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you're interested in using Facebook Live to grow your business, having a 5-part template is just one part of the equation. You also need to figure what to talk about, what to say, how to go live, and what other equipment you need to use. So I've put together a Facebook Live cheat sheet. It's a super simple guide that walks you through the basics you need to get up and streaming on Facebook Live, even if you've never hit record before. To get your hands on it, simply click on the link in the description below, and thanks for watching.